Hello, hi, this is Rajendra, and in this lab, I will show you how to connect our Cloud Code to our VS Code. So you just need to add extensions over here. So when you go for extensions and when you type Cloud Code, so just install it. So I have already installed those Cloud Code for VS Code. So once you install, then you will be prompt for login to your account. So I have already logged into our account. And so we need to connect our GitLab to our Cloud Code. So in order to do that, so these are the command. So first create a GitLab token. So once you create the GitLab token in your GitLab account, then you are able to use over here. And once you run this command, then you are able to get connected to your GitLab. So let me see. So show you. So this is the GitLab, and go for here preferences. So and here access, and here is a personal access token. So create one personal access token. So I've already created as a Terraform agent. So just create a generate new tokens. So it's a fine grain and legacy. So I use legacy, where you can give just access to read, write. For fine grain, like which repo do you want to access, which not, a specific wise project. So that's all about it. So once you get those token, then just use the environment variable so that you don't need to paste those token over here in the chat. So I will ask, let's say, do you have access to my GitLab repo? Let's see. So it will try to check if it has access or not. So it's try to log into this remote. So allowing this permissions, and yes, two separate requests with one. So it says fully available now. So and I will do Claude MCP list. Let's see what is. So no MCP server. Use Claude MCP add to add a server. So let's try to run this one command. So let's try to access the first GitLab. So it is. So it is trying to get the GitLab, and so it's trying to access this GitLab, and I have already executed this command. So allow this PowerShell command to get a MCP list. So I'm trying to connect GitLab MCP, but it is not official. So I'm using a generate MCP GitLab. So it says connected. So let's say slash MCP server. No MCP server connected. Then copy. Cloud MCP get GitLab. So this is the third party Jared. The reason I use this Jared is because it allows us to have a GitLab to create a separate branch whenever we have a repo and you want AI agent to create or add something in your repo, then it will create a separate branch. So it's a connected and healthy. So I will try to see if it can access my all the repo or not. List out my all GitLab repo. So let's see it will pull out or not able to. So I will give permissions to execute this command, and she's trying to project 12 project. It was able to find 12 projects, and these are the list of my repos. You see it has a public and some private repos. So in this way we are able to connect our cloud code with our MCP GitLab. So, and if you want to verify, so over here, this is my repo, and when I go for home, I go for projects, so these are all my repo. So 5G core, API services, GitLab, all these are public repo, Terraform security agents, the same as over here. So Terraform security agents, guardrail. So in this way we are able to connect our GitLab MCP to our cloud code. Yeah, thank you.